Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes and comments and for subscribing to this channel. And if you are a new viewer, then you can go and watch all our videos. Hit on the video and look at all the videos. And if you have missed to watch this giveaway video, then please watch this video because December 13th is the last date. Then later you won't get the Telegram link. You cannot be added to that. You have to open an account only. So without wasting time, let's talk about today's topic. So in today's topic is about the live trading which I'm going to do. So it's basically on this particular video which you saw yesterday, that is how to be successful intraday trader. I just posted yesterday, that is 22 hours ago. So if you see this particular video, I have told you the way of trading only with your cash, CNC order. So in case we go into loss, then we will wait for 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. So that was the idea which I gave, and it's like a diet plan for you guys for your trading. So just to show an example, I just put 50,000 rupees and I just bought with 50,000 rupees and I didn't take any margin. So in case if the stock goes against me, then I will not try to wait for the stock, considering it's a delivery. And if the stock goes above 0.5%, I am done for the day. So these are the two options. If the stock goes more than 0.5%, bumper offer. So keeping all this in mind, I just thought I'll do a demo trade for you guys as a live trade. And yes, this will be different from our normal live trading which you saw over here, where we have taken leverages, right? So this live trade is going to be, the profit is going to be very small. It's going to be very small considering we are not taking any margin, but every drop of water makes a mighty ocean, as I said in this particular video. So go by that terms, by these calculations. So this is mainly for all the beginners. This video is dedicated for them. So currently, if you see, I'm just trying to do a demo. So these are the stocks currently I'm gonna consider for now. These are the stocks which broke its own high. Okay, so I'm just looking into the stocks. When I say when it broke its own high, I'm saying about 10-15 candle, that is here 1 hour candle, it just broke its high. So I'm just looking into these particular stocks, the movements of these stocks. So putting into all 1 hour candle, and this one already went up. One. So we are going to buy with cash and carry, right? So if I calculate, so I'm gonna put excuse me, 50,000 capital, and I'm just not gonna take any margin. I'm gonna divide it with 119.50. Let me say around 418 stocks I can buy for this particular Equitas. So Arcom, it's already in 82%. 3 if I go already in the top. This one has more potential now. Let me go to 3 minutes. Excuse me. Okay. Wait. Here 48.87. Okay. And this, if it breaks its own high, I'm gonna do cash and carry around 410 stocks. I'm gonna buy. Okay. And I'm gonna buy of market level. You can actually buy it at 119.50, but if it is breaking that 11.50, I'm just buying in market, or else you can put a limit order. 50. So this one didn't break 1 hour. Okay, so this is breaking 1 hour, and that is an advantage for us. 31, 21.55, and this is at recovering. This was a high which it has not broken still. Same with this. A lot of disturbance outside. Okay. Nifty, we need to wait. Currently, it is in the red super trend line, 3 minutes candle. Still, it is below. If it can get proper support from this, but still, if you see RSI is in the middle somewhere, so it has chance to fall more. But if we get a support, and if it can hit once its super trend buy, then we'll get that advantage of buy side, because the stock has already gone down. I mean the market. So at least considering if it can recover from now on and hit the super trend, we can uh, take that advantage over here. So that's Arcom. Equitas is not coming up, and this one looks like it's moving. What's the high of this stock? 21.55, and star is also coming up. Highest 488, and this one is also going up. Four five. um, let's just calculate for this. 58,000 divided by 21.50, around 2,300 stocks in this. Equitas has come to 30 now, the strength. You can go with limit also if I want to buy above the high, if it is breaking its high. Just seeing whether which stock will break first. Which one? Market is 0.27. Small recovery. Indian break still. This is going towards its high one. If you see, Ujwan Finance is slowly creating a support and going up as of now. So let's look into buy this particular stock. So if I say 50,000 divided by 226, I would get around 220 stocks. So if I'm buying around 220 stocks, let me buy this at market now and just give a buy and just go into the position. So um, the average price taken is 226.09, and over here we have to get minimum 0.5% because we have taken this particular trade with our cash, right? CNC. I'm not taken any margin. So whatever 50,000 rupees I have put, I am trading with 50,000. There is no multiples included in this particular trade. So if this, as per our rule, if this do not give us 0.5% for the day minimum, then we will hold the trade for the next day or 1 week, 2 weeks to see whether it will recover and give back our profit or avoid our losses. So if you see, the stock has crossed 0.5%. Our target was 0.5% considering cash. 0.3 was for margins. We didn't use margin, so 0.5 will be the minimum. So the stock has already given 0.5. For an investment of 50,000, we have got on 530. I'll just show you. See, I have put 50,000 in my account. I have 50,209. I have used 49,739. Okay. So going to position. So it is currently in 1.16% profit for the day. Okay. To get to like this 1% and all is very difficult in an intraday, because if this was 10 times, 20 times, I would have got 6,000, and 20 times means I would have got 12,000 profit over here. But same way, I would have lost my money also. So this particular method, I wanted to show a demo for you guys how to slowly wait. I waited for this particular stock and I got my 1%. Best part in this strategy is, in this idea of plan, is you can experiment and wait for the whole day or at least for some more time. If you're giving you more profit, or in case if the profit goes down also, then you can wait for the next day, day after. So that is one big advantage in this particular type of trading. So I just wanted to show you guys how safely you can do. The amount will be very small, but yes, it is more safe. Rather than telling you I have lost everything in intraday, we can show to people that no, we can make profits through intraday also in a smarter way. So what do you guys think? I should exit or not? Done. So I just sold this particular stock. So around 11, sorry, 11 I took this particular stock, and around 226.05, and I sold the stock around 228.60. Okay, so yeah, so almost 45 minutes it took. That's really great. I didn't wait the whole day. So I got my minimum 0.5% in this particular trade, and yes, bonus 1% overall I got. So I was expecting almost to 250 rupees. Now we made 552 rupees. So this was one demo trade for you guys. The reason I am showing this particular thing is because a lot of people get attracted with the way I do with 20 times 10 times margin, and I realize that whatever I do is going to affect the lot of crowd. Before, whatever I do was for my personal, so whatever I show people, the new beginners just copy that and they realize the risk later. So I don't want to show the risk part to my newcomers, and now I understand I have a big responsibility, so I should be very careful of what I'm showing, because there are people who directly do what I try to do. So I should be very careful in my words and in what I'm displaying you guys. Um, so this is one safe way. So if you're not yet watched that video, then go to my channel and go to that particular video. Where is that? Yeah, how to be successful in to be successful intraday trader plan for beginners. Okay, so watch this particular video so that you will get to understand why I did this particular trade. So that will give you an idea of making intraday profit slow and steady wins the race, right? So that's the concept I'm keeping in this particular plan which I came up with. So hope, let's make this plan successful. Try this out, do paper trading if you're a newcomer, and if you have already started trading, then try with one particular stock. If you're already doing with one particular stock, then go with little more stocks and see how it is helping you. And end of the month or end of 2 months, tell me what is your results. Tell the results on the new videos, okay, new video comments, because as you know, after me putting yesterday's video, I won't have time to see the comments. If I miss to see yesterday only, then today will be a new video and I have to edit the video, upload the video, again new comments. So if you're putting the comments on the old video, I will miss to read. So I'm trying to be transparent as always. Whatever is the reality, I'm just telling you. So hope this video was an add-on to your knowledge, and you saw how slowly I picked the stock, and you have a lot of time, so you should be very careful. And when you take with this cash and carry, you can wait for the whole day. That is the biggest advantage with there's no much fear. You can go and eat and you can aram say sit anywhere, because if you do a mistake of not exiting also, you can wait for the next day also. That is one best part in this particular type of trading. But yeah, as you see, I just started around 11 o'clock, so I got my profit by 11:50 or whatever. So thank you so much. Please hit that like button and support us for the channel's growth, and also hit that subscribe button so that we can be top in the charts. Currently, we are second top channel in India for English. So let's soon become the first top channel in India for English in trading. So thank you so much for your support. Keep supporting. I'll be coming with a lot of videos like this, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye.